The All Khasi-Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association (AKMTTA) has suspended its protest after tensions escalated at the Assam-Meghalaya border earlier this week. The protest began on the 16th of September with AKMTTA enforcing a restriction on Assam-registered tourist taxis from operating in Meghalaya's major tourist destinations. The association claimed that outside vehicles were hurting the livelihood of local taxi operators. In retaliation, transporters from Assam blocked Meghalaya vehicles at key border points like Jorabad and Khanapara, causing massive disruption. Even a convoy carrying former Meghalaya Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma was briefly halted. Following the blockade, the East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner intervened. On September 18, 2025, AKMTTA announced it would suspend the protest after receiving assurances of a meeting with the Chief Minister and government departments on the 23rd of September. Earlier, AKMTTA had staged a Black Flag Week and held a large rally in Shillong on the 14th of September, demanding government action. For now, tensions have eased, but all eyes are on next week's meeting, which will determine the next course of action.